Advion Roach Bait Gel is a high-performing, non-repellent bait that targets the most common species of roaches, including German, American, Australian, Oriental, and smoky brown cockroaches. This product is a favorite among homeowners and pest control operators because it delivers professional results. Made with a bait matrix that's highly attractive to cockroaches, a roach can consume the bait and then return to its colony, where it will spread the bait to other roaches before it dies. One roach that has been exposed to the gel can kill up to 54 additional roaches. This domino effect will begin to control roach infestations in as little as 24 hours. Advion Roach Bait Gel can be used both indoors and outdoors, as well as in residential, commercial, industrial, and food handling sites. Before applying the gel, thoroughly clean the areas where the bait is to be applied. Be sure to sweep floors, wipe down countertops, place sponges into zip-top bags, pour out water from pet bowls, and dry out sinks at night. The goal is to eliminate any food or water sources that could compete for the roach's attention. This will increase the effectiveness of the bait. To apply the gel, attach a tip and a plunger to the bait syringe. You can also use a bait gel gun for easy application. Apply small dots of gel directly into cracks and crevices. These dots should be no larger than ½ an ounce or ¼ inch in diameter, about the size of a small pea. Do not apply the roach bait gel in long lines or large dots, as roaches have small mouths and will avoid these applications. And refrain from applying the gel on porous surfaces or where it will be exposed to air currents to prevent the gel from drying out. If you have a heavy infestation, apply 3 to 5 dots of gel every 10 linear feet around a room. Apply 1 to 3 dots of gel every 10 linear feet for light to moderate roach infestations. Apply the gel in areas where roaches hide, including inside cabinets and drawers, under appliances, in between countertops and cabinets, where cabinets and countertops meet the wall, behind toilets, and where pipes meet walls. Cockroach gel baits should not be applied to areas with high heat or steam, such as on ovens or in saunas, and you should not apply gel on surfaces that have already been treated with an insecticide. Roaches will continue to be attracted to the gel for up to 3 months after application, but check the application areas weekly and reapply as the gel is consumed. Each box of Advion Roach Bait Gel comes with 4 30-gram syringes of bait, a plunger, and 2 application tips. Make sure to read the full product label carefully to safely and effectively apply Advion Roach Bait Gel. And it's that easy with the expert help from DoMyOwn.com. Subscribe to our channel for more DIY and product videos.